Okay, so this is part 4, and today we are going to be making the scripting for tiles, so we can make them spawn in the world, like silver, iron, or any other sort of ore, or block, or any other thing like that. So, first things first, we're going to go into Notepad++, and this is from my other mod, and we need to open this, okay? This is a file called tile. You can get, if you don't want to just copy it now, you can copy this code off the wiki. Basically, this code is about. It says it works, and if you just tweak the numbers, you choose different specifications for the ore, and it says what the specifications are. Apart from the ones they don't touch, because you just don't touch them. So here we have to write what we want to spawn, and as in last episode, we want it to be a chicken ore block we want to spawn. I think we'll save as and go under chicken mod. This is going to be called tile.cs. So, well, instead of putting add zinc, it doesn't make a difference, but we can just change it. The name of this function. It's good doing stuff like this because you don't really have to have much programming history or knowledge of programming to be able to do this. It does it for you. So often when you're generating a world, it says something at the beginning to tell you that it's generating something. So that's what we write here. So you can say adding chicken array models. So this is all just here. So yeah, you can change the specifications, but I'm going to leave it like that. And as you can see here now, we have in the tile folder, we have tile, chicken ore block, and chicken ore block as p.png. Go away. So that should be it. It's quite simple when you think about it. But for this, we're going to have to make a new world. So it generates in the world. It won't just add it on. I suppose it could be possible, but the way with this piece of code it isn't possible because it's not like adamantite or something that when you can add more to the world while you're playing. So we're going to create a world, and it's going to just be a small world, so it generates quicker. This will be called chicken or not, no pun intended. There you go. Hopefully it will say what we asked it to say at the beginning. It'd say, oh, not sure. Actually, let's just check this. Or it's even loaded. It's a good question. Oh, we forgot to rebuild it, I remember. Silly me. So first of all, we need to rebuild it with Modpack Builder. Silly me. Done. Now we are going to going back on Terraria. Gonna launch tconfig. Tconfig multiplayer. Oh, just on rebuild mods. Actually, no. I never realized you could do that. Let's reload the mods. Single player. Let's get rid of chicken or not. Yeah. Create new world. Small. This one's going to be called not or chicken, just to be different. Let's go. Yay, see? It said adding chicken, hooray, smiley face. So that means it's added it to our world. And hopefully, if everything works, we shall find some. Last time I used this code with these specifications, I found it in, not very often, but in giant packs of it, which was actually quite strange when I added the first specifications for it. Hopefully it doesn't necessarily do that, but we'll see. But as I said, you can change it so that it's rarer, it starts from a different angle. You can make it so it's in the sky if you really want to. But not really recommended. Also on the wiki, you can find different heights for if you want to make if you want to find different heights of the world and all that. So we're just going to dig down then. I don't know why I still use this pickaxe. Hopefully you're going to find more ore, like it says in block number 5. Underground in the block that we made. Spawning like any other ore. I'll be back soon when I found some. Okay, so I'm coming up to find, I think what is a piece of chicken ore. See, it glows. Oh, no, it isn't. Damn it. Just after I unpaused it, I got annoyed that it was demonite. Now look what I found underneath it. After quite a bit of digging, all this rubbish in my inventory, we found them. Well, the problem with this spawning is that it is this much of it. So we're mining our chicken ore, just randomly spawning in the wild. Which I think is pretty cool, since now we have our own ore in the game, and you can do whatever we want. We can make the ore, we can make swords, hammers, axes, we can make guns, we can make armor, we can make anything, really. Sometimes it's quite difficult, especially armor, since it's a pain to make. So this is the end of this episode. We have successfully made our spawning ore, and bye bye.